Right, so for the next stage, so I've cut down the rivets underneath so that actually slides in and out. I've got some more of these. I've got some tool clips here, and I've got some strips here which might do for the odd one or two. In this, I've got all these compartments, Allen keys. I've just put a little compartment in here as well, and as you can see with the metal, nothing, so it's all been skimmed off. So what I'm now about to do is start dealing with this top. What I'm doing now is making little brackets like this for screwdrivers to sit in. Now I don't know whether that will work. Hang on. Yeah, I don't know whether these little pads will work, whether they'll glue down or not. Whether they'll glue down or not. But anyway, here's how I'm making them. So what I've done is that I've cut these strips like this. Right, this one is the neck. So what I do then is that I just insert that into the vise, center that about right, clamp it, and then with the hammer, oops, yeah, there's part of the issue. Get this right, okay, and then tap round and tap round, then take the clamp off, put that onto there, drop that a little bit below the vise thing, tighten it up quite nicely, and then bend and bend. Then what I do is I need to change the disc on the angle grinder because I'm taking a lot out of this sanding disc that's on it. Right, now just need to take those sharp edges off. Then I'll just see where I can twist this. There we go. Right. Okay. So we're good on that. Right. Right. So unfortunately a lot of these holes aren't going to be used. Well, it don't matter. Through that, into that, and then with luck the rivet goes. And then the screwdriver. I mean, how's that? Enough room for enough play there. And will it close? Yes, it will. There he is. Oh, as you can see, we've got brackets in all the way around. I've even managed to straighten this out so I don't need to replace it. And everything shuts. Open. Right, that's locked. Unlock. There we go. See, I've got a T15 to deal with, and then I've got a T10 to deal with, and then I've just got all of these things to deal with as well. I mean, I'm not too sure how I'm going to deal with this. Yeah, because so I can't do very much there. So we've got these in, which I'm quite happy about. Next thing I need to do is deal with the other screwdrivers, and I'm not too sure what I'm going to do about that. Pliers. Do that. Maybe that. Maybe stick those in there or something, I don't know. Yeah, I can live with that. Right, so that's been installed, and I'm rather happy with that, because if I do that, it still closes and opens. Yay! So yeah, that basically was just a flat plate, and then I gave it a bend at the back here, gave it a bend at the front here, but I drilled these holes first, and then bent this, so therefore I could just catch a little bit of that hole for these to go in. I mean, yeah, so yeah, I'm quite pleased with that, really, to be honest. I can't put anything here because then that would foul that coming out and foul these coming out. I think that the next thing to do will be these drawers, and then what I can do is start getting these screws in. So if I just do some little plates that go across, and then stuff can get put in there. Okay, so I'm going to make some plates for this. Oh shit! Right, let's try that again. Yeah, so I'm going to make some little plates that actually go across, and I might make a center divider as well. I'll see how it goes.